guys, Vlog Creative 2 back again with another Lego City update. So, you thought we're gonna continue? I'm continuing the Lego City. So, here's the first thing that I built. So, here's a tire to add some details. It's a rubber. It's from Lego. So, also, here's a vacuum cleaner. Oh, it looks messy, but it's okay for me to look at. It looks awesome. So there you go. Let's put it back here. Put it back. And here's our car. It looks like a Mini Cooper. It's black. It's an oldie style. So there you go. It has lights in its back. There you go. Let's put it aside. So here's a toolbox just to add some details. The space will not be empty. There you go. Let's just put it back there. And this idea is from Thiago Carino. I'll put the link in the description later, so you can visit his channel. Okay, here's 360 view. There you go. Let's put it back here. So let's just put this back here. So here's a table. Oops, I almost broke it. Now I'm just gonna show it to you. I'm not gonna take it off. And here's a stairs. And also this is a toolbox, but I just put some things in it so that it would look like something's in it. So here's a box where you put the tools. It's permanent there, so you can take it off like the toolbox. So there's some tires. So here's the brake and here's the motor. It's not yet done, so it looks like you're repairing it. It just hangs on the wall. There you go. And that's it. And let's see the other one. So here's some drawers. Let's take this wall first. And here's some drinks. So that if the worker would be thirsty, you could just reach. So there you go. Let's put it back here. And this one, I really like this one. This one, it has a wall that a bike hangs on. Let's just put it like this. Let's take this bike off. There you go. The background it's abstract, so it looks awesome. It really looks awesome, by the way. Oh, the brick fell. Let's just fix it. Here you go. Let's put it back. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. Let's just put this the right way. Oh, here's the back wall. Here's some money. And here's a map. This red thing here. So there you go. And here's the motor hanger. They're just fixing it. It has a lifter down it, so you can lift it up. So let's put this aside. So let's take this aside. It won't budge, so let's just take it one by one. Let me just put it back. Let's take this wall out so that we can remove it. There you go. We got it. Let's go. So let me just fix it. Here. There's a books, and here's some disco songs, and here's some drawers, books again, drawers, and here's some tools. There's a range. There you go. this aside. And here's some fuel tanks. So it looks a mess, but it's just okay for me because I don't have same colors. So there you go. And here's some drawers. It looks very awesome for me because it looks realistic. There's a great one back of it. So let's all put it back right here. Oh, putting it back. Let me just tighten it. Oops, it became blurred, sorry. So let's just put it back. Right, there you go. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.